Children's Day, Christmas, Republic Day and Shiv Jayanti. Competitions like drawing, coloring, handwriting, recitation, dance, clay modeling, fancy dress and craft were arranged. Students participate in inter-school events like economic drawing competition. Sports Day was held on 21st to 24th January 2019. The best athlete boy and girl from each standard were awarded by a certificate and medal. Annual Day was on 22nd December 2018 at Nehru Memorial Hall along with primary section. School prize distribution was held on 15th March 2018 and total 110 medals and certificates were given to the students who stood top in various competitions. We have started library periods for students to improve their reading skill and interest. We have total 120 new books. CCTV cameras, computers, aquaguard, new puzzles games and sports items are the additional facilities given to the students. PTA executive meetings were held regularly during the year. Before concluding this report, I am pleased to announce that the academic year 2018-19 was successfully completed. And for that, I am thankful to the management for their support, valuable guidance, and also thankful to teaching and non-teaching staff of the school and members of the executive committee of PTA for their help and contribution in the school activities. I am thankful to one and all. Thank you.
Next is Pawar Kavya. Rugvedi. Korde Arohi. Shinde Shlok. Kade Soumya. Vijayati Arohi.
मागं घ्यायला आले का पुढे घ्यायला आले
Shangrika Purvi. The and the best girl award goes to Miss Kharade Arohi from Senior KG Section 8. Haribhakt Prashi. Next is Next is Devkar Samar. Pathan Aida. Anhar Pruthvi. Bodhe Yuvika. Bokre Prajwal. More Shreya. Kulkarni Vidisha. Pathan Afnan. Banbare Nivrutti. At the same time, we would like to welcome Sharma ma'am. She's the principal headmistress of boarding primary school. And the best girl award goes to Anushka Patil from standard 4A. It's a check of 5,000 and a trophy. In memory of Sharma ma'am's father-in-law, Mr. D.R. Sharma.
Today's chief guest, Dr. Balaji Zadav, all the parents, students and staff of AISSMS. I welcome all of you on behalf of AISSMS Society. You all are aware that this AISSMS Society is established in 100 years back, 1970, 100 plus. Basically, it has started with a boarding school. That time the situation was of World War. And that time, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, a visionary educationist, socialist, social worker in Kolhapur and all other places, he told Britishers that we have to train the boys right from their childhood, and then only we can make them a disciplined and well soldiers for the army. And that was accepted by the Britishers, and then just adjacent to the court, that time it was a very outside of a city actually, that particular area, the school started. I'm very proud to say and share with you all, the first ever Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue is in our campus at Shivaji Putla. The area is also known as the Shivaji Putla nowadays. And Britishers have actually inaugurated the Charles he has done the inauguration function there. At that time he said that till now the people were thinking of Shivaji, that's a Sahyadri ka Chua. But now, and seeing his history, I have realized that he is the real king of India. And then people started saying, yes, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj as a king of our particular Hinduism and India, Hindu Rashtra. When we say Hindu Rashtra and other things, definitely Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj was very much aware about all the caste. In Kolhapur, for every caste, he has made one hostel. For every low caste and higher caste, everyone was having these particular hostels. He made a law that is called a Kolhapur Act and made that education from first standard for every child, girl or boy, whoever may be, should be in the school. Afterwards he realized that still the farmers' children are reluctant to come in the school. So he amended the law and said, if the child is not coming to the school, the parents will be punished. And he started that punishment. That is the first act he has done there in that particular educational side. He was having a great vision. And then today's chairman of the society, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, and other dignitaries of our society, they realized that even the Punetes, the parents who are staying in Pune, their children should also have some facility here, and the birth of this school and the primary school and KG, upper KG and all other things started for a day boarders. So when this has started, because of that we all are here. Dear parents, you have taken the efforts to take the admission in this particular institution. Your job is not over. It has started. Now it has started. You have to make your child, if you want to see that he is coming up and coming up with a proper shape, proper discipline, your participation along with the teachers and society is must. Be coordinate, always keep be in touch with the student staff, attend the parents' meetings, so only that you will realize what is your child and where he stands. We have made a counseling system also, because every child is not same to another one. We have started a counseling system. Every child is taken for the counseling. What are his interests? Those are measured, and accordingly we try to nourish him. I hope your participation will be there all the time. I should not take much more time because you are very much eager. The prizes are already given, but the next program, extracurricular activities of the children, let us go for that. Om Namah Shivaya.
Good afternoon, one and all. Honorable Chairperson of today's function, Suresh Shinde Sahib, respected Principal SP Chareja and Mrs. Anupama Gund, respected teacher, parents, and my dear student friends. जिंदगी किसी की मोहताज नहीं होती, दोस्ती सिर्फ जज्बात नहीं होती। कुछ तो ख्याल आया होगा रब को, वरना यूं ही आप जैसे फरिश्तों से मुलाकात नहीं। First of all, I am thankful to organizer who gave me this opportunity to felicitate the prize winner and interact with you all. I would like to congratulate all the prize winners and best of luck for their bright future. I would like to share with a Sanskrit slok which explains the quality of a student. Jnana tushna guru nishta sada adhyayana dakshata ekagrata matvecha vidyarthi guru panchakam. It means you should be thirsty of knowledge like Arjun, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You should be loyal towards your teacher, preceptor like Eklavya Sachin Tendulkar. You should be remain alert during the course of education. Your attention should be waver. For attention, you have to create an interest because interest is the mother of attention. If you got a interest in particular subject, so you will focus on that particular things and that day is not far away. We can achieve your goal within a time being. So student should have a high concentration during the lecture. This is the fourth quality and final fifth quality. Every student should be positively ambitious towards the goal. These five are the best qualities of a student. If they achieve this quality, they would success in their life, definitely. There is a one slok for parents also. Mata Shatru Pita Vairi Ena Balo Na Patita Na Shogate Savamate Hamsamate Bakoyata. The meaning of this, the mother and father of a child are like enemies if they do not provide proper education to him, because later on they are not adorned in the society in the same manner as the cranes are not adorned in a herd of a swan. I must appreciate all parents because you are giving quality of education to your children in this renowned institution. So I'd like to say something about the teacher. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma Tasmai Sri Gurve Namah. The word God, G-O-D, itself, G for generator, O for operator, and D for destroyer. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. They have been created by Parabrahma, and teacher is like a Parabrahma. So such a respect is there for a teacher in the society. So teacher have got lots of responsibility on their shoulder. So there is one beautiful say for a teacher also. सुंदर सूर सजाने का साज बनाता हूँ, नव सीखे परिंदे को बाज बनाता हूँ, चुपचाप सुनता हूँ सबके शिकायतें, तब जाकर दुनिया बदलने का गुहार लगाता हूँ। समंदर तो परखता है हौसले कश्तियों के, और मैं डूबती कश्तियों को जहाज बनाता हूँ। बनाए चाहे चांद पे कोई बुर्ज ए खलीफा, यारो मैं तो कच्ची ईंटों से ही ताज बनाता हूँ। ये जो ताज बनाने का जो they have to inculcate proper value, knowledge and ethics on the student's mind. So you will get a dynamic personality here. So Swami Vivekananda said, he said his definition of education. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Just you have to see. You are going to sow the seed. Seed. You cannot see the sprout in that seed. When we have to sow into the soil and pour the water, then it will sprout. Like this, your child is a seed. And teacher are pouring water, knowledge rupee water they are providing there. So because of that, it will grow and it will become a plant, and it will give a fruits to your family and your society. So such a things teacher will do at a college, at a school, at a nursery school. So one thing is there, while inculcating proper things on the student, everybody will thinking about the wealth first. My dear friend, there is one saying,